YouTube, it's your boy Fun Flex again. I got the 2005 Ford F-250 Super Duty with the 6.0 Power Stroke. Got a trailer hooked up to it. Alright, well, cut to the chase, guys. Alright, I got 189 on it or whatever. Okay, this is the problem that I was having. Okay, whenever I put the key in the ignition and turn the key on, everything come on. I actually fixed the problem already, but I explained it to you guys who might be having the similar problem. But if you notice right above that check engine light, there's a wrench. I'm gonna show it to you again. See that wrench right above the check engine light there? Okay. Well, whenever I turn this key on, truck's out up for about a month, and whenever I turn the key, that wrench will pop up, and then over here on my dash digital right there, it says well, it's not saying it anymore, but it said check gauges. And I was wondering, I'm like, what gauge could it be? So my fuel gauge was working. The rest of the gauges wasn't coming up because the vehicle wasn't crunk. But whenever I tried to turn the key, it wouldn't crank. You know, it wouldn't make a spin over. It wouldn't do nothing. So I didn't hit a fuel pump come on. I checked the fuel pump shutoff switch, which is located on the kick panel on the passenger side. So I did all of that and stuff, and everything was situated. Everything was good. Okay, well, I come down here, and there's gonna be a 30 amp fuse, and that would be fuse number 116. I want to say that's what it is, 116. I have to look back on the panel. If I'm wrong, drop it in the comments or something and let me know, hey, you had the wrong number. But anyhow, all right, if y'all have the same setup, you know, on the Fords, this last fuse before you make it to your mini fuses, this is your cluster fuse. This controls everything up here. You see, if I pull that out, if I pull this fuse, see, it kills everything on the dash. Okay, this truck would not crank up for nothing in the world. See, you can actually hit a fuel pump. Okay, what I did was, we played with it for 2 days. I'm sorry I didn't make the video when it first occurred, but I needed the truck, and you know, we was just in a rush to try to get it going because I had to get this trailer moved out of there. So anyhow, what I did was I took this fuse, and I mean, I had no more other options. You know, I was just like, well, I'm gonna have to go and get the dolly, and we're gonna have to just pull it. So what I did was I took that fuse out, and I pulled it out and put it in about 10 times. And then I heard the fuel pump kick on. And once I heard the fuel pump kick on, then this is what my dash came to be. So when my dash came up like this with just the check engine and ABS light, I say, okay, well, she must be ready to crank up. And then I'll be dog. I turn the key, and she fires right up. You know, now my check engine light's still on. I had a list of codes, different codes that I was looking up and stuff and everything like that. So all of that, but other than that, everything else pretty good. So I just wanted to show you guys that. Any questions, comments, drop them down below. This is a 2005 Ford F-250 Super Duty with the 6.0 Power Stroke diesel. Thank you.